Hello Commanders, this is Shadow Dr. K. I'm going to show you how to use the response generator from the Project A.L.I.C.E toolkit. To get you started on entering your own custom responses for Project A.L.I.C.E, so she'll start saying whatever you want her to say. So if you want to start, the controls are pretty easy. You have the ability to load directories, save all individual files, save all, combine them into a single file. That way you can name it whatever you want and share it with someone else. You can create user templates, which is what I'm going to go over primarily in this video. You have the ability to reload your user files right here, and you have the ability to save all of your user files. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to note that if at any point you want to reset the generator, all you have to do is come over here and double click the response generator, and it's going to clear out this tab and reset your entire tab. To show you that, we're going to generate some templates real quick, and you'll see they're all empty because I just created user templates. And to come over here, you double click the response generator, then is reset, and you can work on a different project if you want, or a different tile set of responses. So to start off, this shows you where your user files are located in case you ever want to just go grab them and share them with someone else. For now though, we're going to create user templates, and it's going to give you a blank set of templates to play with. And these are all the different things that she has responses for right now. So under frameshift drive, you're going to end up seeing, for our example, you're going to end up seeing all the different things that she has a response for. Abort successful, abort failed, drive charging, the thing that she likes to say when you're docked and you try and engage your frameshift drive, you know, some of the snarky responses. She has a slew of different segments that you can go in here and add things to. So for example, let's go in here and put one in here for mass locked. All right. You're mass locked. How about you try again later, right? Click new. Just throw in here some random stuff. Just show you how this works. Right. Now we have 3 different responses in here that she's going to load. Obviously the later 2 responses she's not going to really be able to say because it's gibberish. But you come up here, click Save All User Files, exported all responses, and now they're stored in your user folder. I come over here, reset it, and I click Load User Files so you can come back later and add and update more. Come back to the mass lock. You're going to see that your 3 responses are in there. Let's say you don't really want these 2 responses anymore. You can click delete and then save all user files again. Something else I've done is I've allowed you the ability to save all and combine. So if you come up here and enter in a file name for your combined user files, I just put in there Commander Shadow Dr. K responses, and you click Save All Combine. It's going to ask you where you want to save it, and for now let's just throw it on the desktop. Alright, there it is. You can now take this file, share it with someone else, and they have the ability to import all of your responses. So if you build a pretty large template, I made it where the community has the ability to share with each other. Now you can take this file just as it is and drop it directly into your user folder, and she's going to load it. Let's reset this real quick and say load directory. Let's click the desktop, and you'll see that she loaded this file right here. We're going to go back down to the frameshift drive where we entered in our information for mass lock, and you're going to see the 1 response is still saved there after we deleted the other 2. So with this the way it is, the way the system works is she's going to load her default responses from her folder. And then she's going to search the user folder to see if the user has any responses they want added. And she's going to add those on top of the regular responses. Now, if you want to get a little bit more in depth later, which I can show in another video, you'll be able to go in and actually replace the default responses with whatever you want. So you have the ability to completely customize your experience with Project A.L.I.C.E. If you have any questions or comments or things that you would like to see or tutorials furthering some of the stuff that you can do with this, post them in the Discord and just tag me, and I'll come back and I'll do some more tutorials on this.